Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious chicken noodle soup using your microwave. First, gather your ingredients. Cooked chicken, your favorite noodles, chicken broth, and some chopped vegetables like carrots and celery. Make sure you have a large, microwave-safe bowl with a lid. Preparing your ingredients by chopping them into small, uniform pieces will help them heat evenly and quickly. Now, let's combine everything. Carefully place your cooked chicken, noodles, and chopped vegetables into your microwave-safe bowl. Next, pour in enough chicken broth to fully cover all the solid ingredients. You want to make sure everything is submerged. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the components are well distributed and ready for heating. This step is quick and easy. It's time to heat our soup. Place the lid loosely on your bowl, allowing some steam to escape. This prevents pressure buildup. Microwave the soup on high for an initial 2 to 3 minutes. After this time, carefully remove the bowl, give the soup a good stir, and check its temperature. If it's not hot enough, continue microwaving in 1-minute intervals until it reaches your desired warmth. Your microwave chicken noodle soup is almost ready. Now is the perfect time to add your favorite seasonings. A pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, or even a sprinkle of garlic powder can enhance the flavor. For a fresh touch, garnish with some chopped parsley or chives. Remember to let the soup cool for a moment before taking your first spoonful. Enjoy your quick and comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.